Welcome back to Legendary Art in this color pencil painting by yaohui. We will be breaking down how to paint a broken egg. Step 1. Draw out your egg using a light pencil. And using a yellow, an orange marker, or color pencil, create the first layer of the eggs. Step 2. Using brown, yellow, and red color pencil, create the inner part of the egg shell, as the video shows. The wet look of the egg is created by layering transparent yellows and browns, then deepening shadows underneath. Sharp white highlights are left untouched, and smooth blending mimics how light reflects off liquid, making it look glossy and fresh. Step 3. Using highlight pen and white pencil, to create highlights and make it pop. Then cast the shadow to make it 3D.